So look how pretty this organizer looks. It's wood, 2 colors, and this bottom drawer, the little knob comes in this box and it comes with the screw. So it goes right there. You open it up and look, you got a storage compartment inside. And on the top, this top little shelf comes off. And you also got another storage compartment inside here. So really nice cologne organizer. So here's my cologne organizer all set up. And my little drawer. Got my watch, my Velcros, and a bracelet, my dragon bracelet. And in my secret compartment, I got my secret cologne. So this thing is really nice. Made out of wood, has a drawer and a secret compartment. Cologne organizer.